Welcome to Lighthouse Worship. My name is Hugo. I'll be teaching you guys how to play the song Can't Nobody by Maverick City, but I'm going over the Housefires version of the song. So make sure you guys tune your guitars. Also, for this song, I would say it's pretty advanced, somewhat advanced. So if you're a beginner, recommend an easier song, but you guys can try it, see what y'all think. So this song, we're going to be playing it in the key of C. We're playing all sorts of different crazy chords. It's like a more groovy type of song. So, and please subscribe. A lot of you guys are not subscribed. This song was a struggle to learn for me, but I learned it for y'all so that I could teach y'all. Go from your spirit, how far from your presence could I run? When I try to hide, you find me. The darkness is to you as the sun. Fortress, you're my friend. You are faithful, faithful to the end. Come, you are with me through it all. 'Cause can't nobody love me like you. You keep on giving me life. Keep on giving me life. So that's pretty much the beginning part of the song. Like I said, guys, this is not really my key, but I'm doing original key just for you guys. That way it'll be the easiest possible. So yeah, so let's kind of break it down. For the verse, as you noticed, I'm doing a lot of slapping and finger picking, right? I point the camera down a little just so y'all can see. I'm plucking with my first thumb, right? And I'm playing a C chord, right? Playing a regular C chord, but I'm plucking that bass note of the C chord. And then after I pluck, you slap. So if you had to practice that. And then after that, you have your regular C, right? So after you slap, you're plucking the bass, and then right after the bass, the index and the middle finger of your C chord, right? I'm sorry. You're plucking the second string and the third string, right? So bass note, second and third string, and then all those same three at the same time. And then you slap to finish that chord, right? After that second slap that you do, you're transitioning to the next chord, which is E major. Well, this is actually a E7 technically. So what it's basically an E major chord, but you add your pinky finger on the third fret of the second to last string, right? So the same pattern, you're doing the same pattern: bass note, slap, bass note, bottom two, and then again you're playing the same pattern with the right hand. It's the same thing for any chord you're playing, right? Same thing like that, right? After that, Then you're gonna slide you're gonna keep your ring finger slide it down to your 5th fret, and then you're gonna add your pinky right below it, the same fret right below the 3rd from the top and the 4th string, and then you're gonna have your middle finger right on top, right? And then you're gonna also have your index finger on the 2nd to last string on the 3rd fret. Okay, that is your A minor 11. Okay, like I said, this song I had to learn a whole bunch of things. It's good for both of us, right? It's good for all of us. We need to learn more chords on guitar, so sounds like that. Okay, you're muting the last string, so don't play the last string, and you're also muting the 2nd from the top. You're muting those. So the ones where your fingers are at, that's the ones you're playing. Okay, so but the same pattern. So after your A minor 11, right? After you play that one, you're gonna go to your G minor 7, which I play like this. Technically, it's not how you play it, but it's easier. You just slide down the A minor 11, and you're really only playing the bass note, so it doesn't really matter. So on those two, you're just playing the bass note on that, and then you're gonna go to your F, right? So after your A minor 11, you go to your G minor 7. So this is G minor 7, A minor 11, G minor 7. Okay, so you go to your G minor 7, right? For a second, just for a little while, and you just play the bass note, and then you could play your F like that, or you can play it with just the bass note. So after your and then you go back to your C, right? Right, I kind of messed up there. You can pluck the G minor 7, or you can just do the bass note, whatever's easier for you. I think they both sound great. So to refresh, you're playing C, E7, A minor 11, G minor 7, F, back to C. And it just repeats. It might take some time to practice. Do not be discouraged, guys. This took me a while to, get better at. I'm not a pro, but little by little, if you practice, sure enough, you'll be able to learn this. In my mother's womb, you are for me. How mighty are the works of your hands. He wrote every page in the story. My steps you've ordered far in advance. My fortress, you're my friend. You are faithful, faithful to the end. Deliverer, not cold. You are with me through it all. So guys, for the chorus, that was a verse 2, right? That's how you play it. I'm not gonna go over the chords, the same chords, but that's how you play verse 2. Pre-chorus, you're my fortress, you're my friend. Same chords. You are faithful, faithful to the end. minor 7, F, right? Deliverer, C. When I call, you are with me. A minor 11, G minor 7, with me through it all. And then you F, right? And then they're gonna play after that. I'm not gonna sing it because, like I said, I can't really reach those notes, to be honest with you guys. They're playing this little riff, right? And then they go into the chords. Right, so the little riff they play, it's you're open the last string, right? Your E, your high E. You're playing it open, then 3rd fret, then 5th fret, then 7th fret, then 5th fret, 3rd fret, and then open, right? So it's like a little scale. Open, 3rd, 5th, 7, right? And then you're gonna play your 2nd string, that same fret, 3rd fret, and then your 1st fret, the same string of the 2nd string, right? So and then so you keep that last note that you played, right, after you play the riff. So you're playing this a D7. Technically you play your D7 like this, but it sounds kind of weird for me, so I just do I do just these two, right? So you're doing your 3rd string from the bottom, 2nd fret, and then your 2nd string, 1st fret. F. Then you're playing your C major 7, which is just the C without the index. And then after you play that, you're gonna go to your A7. Okay, there's a lot of 7s in this song, but that's how you play your A7. Is you have your middle finger, 2nd fret, on your 3rd string, right, and then you have your ring finger 2 strings down, same fret. So that string and that string. So it's almost like you're playing a regular A, but without that 2nd string in there, right? Okay. So together it goes. Can't nobody love me like you. You keep on giving me life. And can't nobody love me like you. You're giving me life. So that's what you play for your chorus. It does. Hopefully that makes sense. D7, your F, C major 7, which is just a C without the index, and then you just keep that middle finger and just knock that ring finger down, as you can see. Strumming pattern wise, I'm doing. Nobody love me like you. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down. get the point, right? So that's the chord pattern for strumming pattern. Your steadfast goodness, your love and kindness, I am reminded that it's so much better, so much better. Your steadfast goodness, your love and kindness, I am reminded that it's so much better, so much better. Your steadfast goodness, your love and kindness, I am reminded that it's so much better, so much better. Thank you guys for watching. Very much appreciate you guys. If y'all guys want to see more of my videos, it really helps me out seeing how much people are actually wanting to watch this. It really means a lot to me and motivates me to continue making more videos. Without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next one. Please leave a like, please share, please subscribe, all the good stuff.